software UX pro designer and a software developer, and in this video I'll be showing you an overview of how to use this software I developed a couple of months ago with the help of my friend. This software is particularly tailored to UI UX designer and product designer. With this tool you'll be able to develop low and high fidelity wireframes, mock-up screens, and also prototypes to understand the user flow. With this tool, designers will be able to work on freelancing and get gigs and do multiple jobs at the same time without stressing and actually getting this job done well. So as you can see on my screen, this is one of the works I'm working on. It's EV electronic car charging station locator app. As you can see, this is the screen. Here you can start with an empty screen, generate a screen, or start with an existing wireframe, or even a screenshot. And you can also import from Figma, Sketch, and Adobe XD. You can see here, this is the template. Even if you have no ideas and you feel blank, you can come here and search for templates, get shapes, text, images, import your images from Unsplash. You can also upload them from your hard drive. This is the form, and when you move on here, you can see these are the this is to reduce the screen, this is to enlarge the screen, this is to shift the mode for toggle, and here you can see also a lot of buttons which I will explain in my full tutorial videos. To get my full tutorial videos and how to get the software, here are my contact details on the screen. Contact me here at gmail at devdevi007@gmail.com, and on Telegram +1 838 934 2080. Thank you very much.